In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a debit card from the Robinhood app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect so you can clean up your linked payment methods with confidence. First, open the Robinhood app on your device and log in. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and, if possible, using the latest version of the app so the menus look and behave as described. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping the person icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your account area where all your settings and account tools live. From there, look to the top left corner for the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap that to open the main menu. This is where Robinhood groups your money-related actions like adding funding methods and moving cash in and out. Next, select Transfers. This section is the hub for deposits, withdrawals, and managing what's connected to your account. On the Transfers page, scroll down until you see Linked Accounts. This is where all your connected funding sources appear, including bank accounts and debit cards. If you don't immediately see it, keep scrolling. Sometimes it's a little lower on the page, depending on your app version. Find the debit card you want to remove and tap it. If you have more than one, check the details like the card brand and the last 4 digits to make sure you're picking the right one. Now, tap Unlink. This option removes the card from your Robinhood account so it can't be used for future transfers. If you use instant deposits tied to that card, unlinking it will disable that option until you link another eligible method. You'll be asked to confirm. Go ahead and confirm, and the debit card will be removed. After a moment, you should no longer see that card listed under linked accounts. That's your confirmation that the unlink worked. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Unlinking a debit card won't affect your stocks, options, or crypto holdings, and it won't close your account. It simply removes that payment method. If the unlink button is unavailable, or you get an error, it may mean there's a pending transfer or a temporary hold. Once that clears, you can try again. And if the interface looks slightly different, remember the key path: Profile, Menu, Transfers, Linked Accounts, then select the card and choose Unlink. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your Robinhood payment methods quickly and safely.